Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yo. DJ Drama, fuck these niggas up. Fuck these niggas up.
Yes, sir. You know,
where you at?
I think my work ethic is getting better. Some I love from up.
East side. Yeah. What up, Jay?
That's my work volume 5.
East side.
You know it.
Gangsta.
Your ass like thorns with creeps. Smash fools, nigga, you don't want no beef. East side, you ride, stay in the deck. Politicking for the chickens, that's the way I rest. He late, still crazy for this gangsta shit. See walking G stomping with the extra clips. Mad dog motherfuckers like a savage low. Get the switches while we dipping on the black roads from each side. East side.
Never got a chance to take my foot up off of this. Nigga, I've been shining, boy, y'all been grinding. Back with the dog and deep, we doing G shit. So please excuse me if I'm being too gangsta, bitch. I was raised by the G7 before me. I'm always popping like the Gil Cold bitch. Sagging in my motherfucking Levi's, no I can feel the fleece side. Only dips till I die. Black pussy in my fleece side, nigga, I'm feeling fleece side. Low, I'm so high. Mr. Goldie, Loki cocking back to 4/5. I'm a beast on the streets, I'm a cold rip. But lately I've been up on my business, making sure that I can flip a few more millions. Host up in the hood shit. Man, what a wonderful feeling. Beating up them streets, got them 15s, whooping names. Smacking so hard, they jumping out the glaze. My bad, we left them all waiting. Now to trade you out of prison, cuz we been skating. East side, real rise. And now you got the bomb, cause you got it from the sunlight.
Back on your ass like thorns with creeps. Smash fools, nigga, you don't want no beef. East side, we ride, stay in the deck. Politicking for the chippers, that's the way we press. Keep ladies going crazy for this gangsta shit. See walking G stomping with the extra clips. Mad dog motherfuckers like a savage low. Hit the switches while we dipping on the black spokes. East side, gon' get you right. East side.
Y'all. Strictly for the east side, those who keep it live. You made the right choice. It's the platinum voice with the platinum sounds, bitch. DJ CD. And it's another guaranteed instant classic.
If you wanna play, let's go. You can come and play as long as your boyfriend don't know. If you wanna play, let's go. You don't have to take all night, just come get your freak on.
Baby, you ain't got to play, come get your freak on. Sitting at home mad at dude, who's getting hands put on. You should be out there shaking your money maker. We come a dime a dozen, baby. It ain't gon' make you or break you. Sexy chocolate, built like Venus. She don't like a baby daddy, she wanna roll with a genius. Never knew that something wrong could feel this damn good. But if you find out, he gon' kill you, so I knock on wood. Oops, my bad, I forgot y'all got a cool relationship. To where you do what you wanna do when he don't say shit. He know I be upstairs in the master room. Last time he came home, I locked the door and turned on the vacuum. As freaky as we get, we should be breaking them bed springs, satisfying each other when we doing our damn thing. And every time we do it, it feels like the first time. He can have your heart because I'm old and your mind. Come on.
Play, let's go. You can come and play as long as your boyfriend don't know. If you wanna play, let's go. You don't have to take all night, just come get your freedom.
It's a cold thing, how I gotta swoop to scoop you. Heat on the seat when I cruise the coupe. Cuz keep your bills paid, I can respect that. So we gotta sneak to the places we rest at. Calling you at work, setting up the appointments to get around the city without seeing your boyfriend. I ain't trying to floss, you just do what the boss do. That rock in the hard place, someone you can talk to. You know you need a daddy that'll give you instructions. Take you out the functions and feel like you're something. Loving every second of the moments we spend. When all you wanna do is keep you home with the kids. And I ain't even trying to drop salt on Playboy, but you the kind of woman that a brother could wait for. Could say more but really cool with just the vibe. As long as you could take it, then it's justified.
If you wanna play, let's go. You can come and play as long as your boyfriend don't know. If you wanna play, let's go. You don't have to take all night, just come get your freedom.
Bills paid. Scrub and shit. Yeah, we can slide all for the 99, but for the art
me breakfast in my bed.
Flight leaves in 10 minutes.
And when I need a little loving, you know you quick to give me head.
I woke up, gave it a good stretch. Called my niggas so I could see what's next. Big movie cracking, all these notes like it. Bomb head in the morning, had a nigga cracking. So I called my nigga clean right. I know we gon' have some bomb holes tonight, but I gotta get this work done. Don't trip the locust on one. Watch me get this stick and break bread with my little son. Try to piece of the money that I was saving. Dropping on my tricks, now watch how they behaving. Sit down, jump, walk. Now safe to park when the scene get dark. Cause that's the one that be behind me, this and that. Know me bad, wanna call my little piece of hood rat.
You know, kiss me and I'll kiss you when I wake up in the morning. Yeah. You give me breakfast in my bed. And when I need a little loving, you know you could take me head. You know what? It's 6 a.m. She won't pay him, but she will pay me. OG baby, they be on bullshit most of the time. Posted and fine, anxious like genuine. I ain't got time to be messing around. Let's hit the hotel and straight put it down. You do me and I do you back. That's how him players do it like that. I met you at the club, so it couldn't be love. Come to find out you the motherfucking scrub on this dub. And now you wanna get in my tub and get a back scrub? You Snoop Deal dub? Hold on, put your clothes on. Bitch, you ain't about to get your dose on. Go in the kitchen, hook me up something to eat, and put the TV on BET. Crack the blinds and toss me a LA Times and roll one of the dimes and make sure the radio work and give me some orange juice with the ice in the cup. I know I'm demanding, but I'm a motherfucking pimp and I don't give a fuck. And when I wake up in the morning, bitch, you know what's up. When I wake up in the morning,